Hello guys, guess what? It's 12:23 a.m. and it's my birthday. So my dad gave me a Deadpool and Wolverine on Blu-ray. My dad couldn't find this movie on 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray, but it's okay. But we'll find it. We'll find it next time. There it is, Blu-ray, Marvel Studios. Front, spine, back. One viewing is way not enough. Blu-ray bonus features. There's the description. 20th Century Studios and Marvel Studios. Rated R for strong bloody violence and language throughout, gore, and sexual references. The slipcover. Let's unbox this. We're doing an unboxing. There it is. Deadpool and Wolverine on Blu-ray. There's a disc. Cool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.